Hello traders, so in this video we are going to trade over 1 minute time frame. So let's get started. This is Euro US dollar chart and I'm using 1 minute candlestick to analyze the chart. So first of all, let's try some key level, and after that we will try to analyze the chart according to the story. So first of all, let's draw some key levels. Let's make it white and bold. Okay, so we have this zone of resistance. It was previously working as a good support level. You can see market respected this level 3 times, so we can expect that market will going to respect this level as a resistance, but I'm not saying it is going to be 100% true, but we can expect that market will respect it. The chances are really high. So as you can see, market formed a good candlestick pattern here. It's a reversal pattern and it formed very near to that resistance. So we can say that market, yes, it is respected by the market. So as the candlestick formation shows that market should be going down, we will try to target the trade according to the analysis. Right now the situation is in the favor of the sellers, and we will try to trade according to them. This candle shows that okay, it is forming strong bearish pattern, so it shows that market should be going down, and I can see that this is the next support level. So the chances are really high that market is going to hit this level. So what I will do, I'll wait for the market to go up and have some rejections from the upper level, and then we can surely place a trade. So I'm ready to place my trade if we get any confirmation. Okay, market is going up, good thing. We need rejection. Okay, no, market goes very strongly up, but I'm still waiting for a rejection. A proper rejection is required in such cases. Let's wait for this candle to finish. Let's see how this candle will end. If this candle closes below this wick section, the chances are high that the next market can reverse. Okay, so this candle formed as a weak candle. What we required is a confirmation now. I'm waiting for a confirmation. Still no confirmation, we have to wait. Market is kind of messy now. We have to wait for this candle to finish also. Yes, this is the confirmation. I placed my trade after getting the rejection. So let me explain you why I took this trade. So as you can see, market is smoothly falling. This we can say that this is the retracement phase. This is a strong level of resistance. Market formed a reversal pattern here. It shows that market should be going down. The next candle form was very strong. Next second candle retraces back a little, but failed to cross above that wick section, you can see, and market again got rejected from the very level, and we got a rejection, a good confirmation. That's why I placed my trade in the direction of the trend. The next support, the next target for me was this level, because market can only reverse from a particular level. So for me, we have got enough room, and that's why I placed my trade. The trade is running in profit, and in the next 10 seconds we are going to have our profit right now. Now let's switch our levels, and we have won this trade, as you can see. And market, you can see it closes just at the very level. You can see this is an extreme level of support. I will not say this is an extreme, but it's quite an obvious level. This is actually an extreme level of support. So we are going to take a reversal trade if market hit this level, and we are going to win that trade for sure because it's very, very strong. But as we are on this level, let me include these wicks as well. Now, so we have this zone of support, and market is actually at this support right now. Market showing some rejections, you can see, from the lower levels, and if market forms some good candlestick pattern, we can surely place some trades in the upper direction. But if market broke this level, we are going to target this particular level because this is very strong. It's an extreme level, and I'm very sure that market will give us some good trading setup on this level. So currently market is respecting this level. It is reversing. The previous candle is a spinning top. It shows indecision in the market. The next candle is forming as a bullish one, showing that yes, the buyers are interested right now because it's an obvious level. You can see with a naked eye, without drawing even drawing the levels, you can say that this is a support level. Those who know about the support levels, obviously. So currently the situation is that market is getting weaker. The momentum is dying, I can see. And okay, the candle closes below the wick, the recent resistance, and if this candle closes above the level, this wick level, this support level, the chances are really high that market will go up, and so we will going to trade on that. So I'm planning a trade if this candle finishes above the level. So let's see how the market will react. And okay, it is already going up without even going in the lower direction. So it's a good thing. It shows the, you can see now, if you look carefully here, this candlestick pattern, if you form the candlestick pattern using all these 4 candlesticks, you will see that market wants to go up. It shows that yes, the buyers are interested, so you have to trade accordingly. Okay, and yes, the chances are really high market will go up, so I'm waiting for a confirmation. I will place a trade once I get the confirmation. Okay, okay, yes, I placed the trade. The rejection was very, very small, but still I placed the trade. Let me explain you why. Because this is the section, it's a support level, and it's a recent support level. This candlestick formation shows that market should be going up, and that's why I placed my trade. Either yes, it is going in the wrong direction, it's going against our analysis, but still I placed my trade based on this particular support level. We have lost this trade, unfortunately, but as we are having a good support level here, we are going to use this level. And currently, as we can see that market doesn't have any level below, so the chances are really high that market will going to hit this level. So we can surely place a trade because it is going to hit this level very soon, and we are going to take more trades from this level also. I'm targeting 4 trades in this video. This is the 3rd trade, and the last trade I will take based on the extreme support level. So let's wait for the result. The result is going to be in the next 13 seconds. So I'm very sure that the market will go in the downward direction because it's the level of support has been broken recently, and so it should be going down. Furthermore, we have won this trade, and let's see, we are going to place more trades as market will continue its trend. I don't see any strong level below. Okay, I'm waiting for a rejection from the upper level again. No rejection. Yes, we got the rejection. I placed my trade. Now let's wait for the result. And yes, let me draw the level so that you can understand why I took this trade. So this was the complete zone which we were using previously on this like trade, which we lost unfortunately, and market reverses from this level. I got the rejection, and so I placed my trade because the chances of market reversing from this level is very less, because I can see that market is going surely going to hit this level. It's a very strong level and it's an extreme level, so I'm very hopeful about this trading level, and I'm going to use it. I will take one more trade, but I will use this particular level. I'm very sure about it. So let's wait. The next in the next 28 seconds, the result is going to be out, and I'm sure that we are going to win this trade as we are trading in the direction of the trend. I took one trade which we lost. It was against the trend, and that's why we can say that even after getting a little bit of confirmation, but still we lost the trade because we were trading against the trend. So try to take trades in the direction of the trend if you don't understand the chart that much. Okay, so we have won this trade. Now market is very near to this extreme level of support. Now in this case, if market goes up again, I will take one more trade in the direction of the down direction, because market is surely going to be hitting this level. I'll remove this level, we don't require it. And as I told you, market touches the extreme level of support. This candle is going to close just at the level, and the next candle for sure, if we get confirmation, I'm going to place a trade in the upward direction. So let's wait for this candle to finish. If this candle finishes above the level, the chances are really high market will going to go in the above direction. As this is an extreme level, market has to respect this level. There are no way that market. So I place my trade because I don't want to miss that opportunity. Market can reverse any moment. This next candle is going to be a bullish one for sure, because market, you can see the candle closes just above the extreme support level, and we all know that extreme support levels are way stronger than the normal levels, and they can reverse a trend. So it's extreme levels can reverse a strong trend, and in this case you can see that this is not a strong trend. It's a good smooth fall, but I will not say that it's an aggressive move by the market. So as you can see, it is going as we were predicting it, and that's why I didn't wait it, because I don't want to miss that trade. I was waiting for this trade for a very long time. So as you can see, I don't have to say that we are going to win this trade. We are already seeing it. So I hope that you have learned something out of this video, and if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. And we have won this trade. If you want me, let's take one more trade. This is an extreme level, we have to use it. So if market goes close to this level, we are going to take one more trade actually. Let's wait. Okay, good. Okay, market is going down. It is trying to break the level. Wow, that's a strong support level. Let's see. Okay, it's kind of a breakout. I can see the rejection. So we have taken the trade using the extreme level, and we have won this trade. Fortunately, we didn't miss the trade because I was not that patient. So that is it for today. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment sections. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard. Good day.